Good afternoon, class. Today we will use two new interactive tools. The first tool is Wizer. Type wizer.me in the address bar. When the website loads, look in the right corner and enter the student code I6Y1PV. Once the next screen appears, type your first and last name and password. Remember your password because I will not have access to it. Now, sign in as a student. The next screen will be the interactive worksheet, surface area prisms and cylinders. The first section will be fill in the blank. Type the words on the line using the word bank below. The next section will be matching. Draw a line from the left terms to the match on the right. Multiple choice is next. Solve the problem and choose your answer. Last is constructed response. Here, you can draw with the mouse by choosing the pen icon, or type your response by clicking the A icon. At the bottom, you will see Save and Hand-in Work. Save periodically just in case you lose power or you need to pause your work. If you've checked over your work and you're ready to submit your assignment, click Confirm Hand-in Work. Wizer is a good tool for assessment. Our second tool, Padlet, is for class discussion and collaboration. Open a web browser and type in the address for the class Padlet. Padlet.com/for-you-will/GAAA geometry. Once the class wall appears, read the assignments. When ready to post, click the plus sign on the bottom right corner. Type your name, date, and comments. When finished, click the wall to remove the dotted lines. Click on the post to change colors. Change the color to yellow for discussion and purple for real-world applications. Class, we are now ready to use Wizer and Padlet.